Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'd like to introduce you to the easiest way to clean jewelry, which is this amazing ultrasonic cleaner by Group Pow. This is so cool. It uses ultrasonic waves to clean my jewelry, but it can clean so much more like makeup brushes, watches, eyeglasses, or so many things. It comes with instructions that helps you to see what it can and cannot clean, what's appropriate and not appropriate to place in it. But I just think this is so amazing and so simple to use. You just go ahead and fill it with water just up to that max line. You plug it in, and it even has a basket for smaller items. And it even also has like a little tray if you want to clean a watch, which I thought was very thoughtful. And then you just go ahead and turn it on. You're able to choose the amount of time depending on how much cleaning your item needs. And then it just goes to work. I'll give you a little sample of what it sounds like when it's on. If you need to pause it and kind of see like how your item is doing, you just press that on off button. It pauses for you. You can open it, check it out, and then you just press it again and it picks up where it left off. So I just think this is such a great way to keep your items clean and know that they're getting nice and squeaky clean. I cleaned a makeup brush and it was amazing to see the water afterwards. It definitely got a lot of that makeup off. The design is so thoughtful, from the stainless steel interior that's easy to clean itself to the long and detachable power cord that makes it super simple to store or dump the water when you're done. This is such a well thought out product. So I really appreciate this super simple way to keep things clean. If you're looking for a way to clean your jewelry or maybe eyeglasses, makeup brushes, things like that, I highly recommend checking out this ultrasonic cleaner by Group Pow, but that's just my point of view.